and welcome back for December the 7th for our Christmas countdown quilt-along. We're working on our Nutcracker, and today we're going to do his facial features. So we're ready for his little cheek there. And we're just going to have to do a little jump stitch. So raise that needle, pull that thread so you've got some slack, then go across to his eyebrows. Same again, raise the needle, take that slack and move across to the other eyebrow. Those little jump stitches will be cut away later on. There we go, that was fairly simple. We really just went with the outlining of the Sharpie for that one. So that's your lot for today. Come back tomorrow for December the 8th. Bye-bye.